bright, but most importantly, destructive. Fire very quickly can become deadly, consuming all in its path. It has done significant damage to forests all across America. According to the Insurance Information Institute, from January to December of 2017, there were 66,000 wildfires. That is just one of the harsh statistics about the damage caused by fire. The real problem is us, humans, the main cause of wildfires, 90% of them in fact. Some ways humans cause wildfires all across America include unattended campfires and arson. Those are just some of the countless ways humans in the U.S. cause such destruction.